This is what you're going to need for the exercise: a tire, a car jack, soapy water, and much later in the game, pry bars. Additionally, you might want gloves. I placed a piece of plywood on the asphalt because it was dirty. Really useful if you have a friend with a pickup and a hitch higher off the ground, easier to put the tire underneath. Soap the bead. You set your tire in place. You've taken the air out of it. You want to make sure that when you put the jack in place, you leave a little distance so it doesn't catch into the rim. You might have to do this a different size till it pops, and then you go for it. I'm wearing safety shoes. You guys do what you want, it's your life. You got to be ready for when it pops. It's going to make a noise. The hitch is going to come down. It looks like it's falling on you, but if you're far away, nobody should be hurt. When you look at the way it's deformed, it gets pretty impressive. There we go. Done. Now, the jack likes to lift and sometimes catch in the edge here. So as I bring it down, I'm going to push it out. There's one bead undone. And you're going to have to do the same thing for the other side. Now I've pushed down pretty far and it hasn't popped yet, so I'm going to turn the tire around 180 and do the other side. On the inside of the tire, I've had to do this 3 times and the bead has still not popped. There you go. Control the jack on the way down so you can push it away from the rim so it doesn't jam in. Push it away as it rises out. Make sure the bead has come off all around and you're done. Okay, step 2. Taking the tire off the rim. It takes a bit of arm work. I placed it up so I have a good position. Off we go. Because you need to go inside here. And voila!